Hello everyone and welcome on this new extended deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Stella speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So this is just gonna be a follow-up of the signal which I have sent last Saturday on my channel about the deeper analysis on the gold. Now let's check what happened. So what happened actually this morning, early morning when the market has opened, it actually has opened with a big gap for over 120 pips, and later after just 3 hours the gold has actually exceeded the safe zone and then went back inside of it. Now most likely many of you did not take this trade because of course of the gap first of all, and the fact that the candle has actually exceeded the safe zone, but that happened just like 2-3 hours, only 4 hours to be precise, after the market opening. So I'm very sure that so many of you have taken this signal at some point right here with this support, and actually I can prove it by showing you here. Actually I have made a poll on my Telegram asking my followers that this signal has exceeded the safe zone, but however let me know how many of you have taken it. Surprisingly we have around 137 votes. Wait a minute. 82 votes for taking it and 137 did not take it, but that means that there is at least, what I'm sure about is 82 traders from my followers have actually taken this signal, and so far they are running in around 136 pips of profit. So overall it was indeed a good signal, even though actually later on I sent an update advising my followers to close it, but in the end it was just a recommended, my friends. I was just recommending to close it in small loss. However, this signal was still active and really good signal. Now let's see what we can do next with the gold, and let's now delete the old signal and let's see what we can do next with this pair. But also before all of that, I'm very happy to share with you, my friends, our performance in the gold signals channel on Telegram. We have launched this signal service just this week actually, and I'm very happy to share with you the results. So far it's really great. So this channel is actually meaning on sending you a scalping signals on the gold, and as you can see the results are really outstanding, almost 100% in profit in just one single day. How about it Tuesday? Let me show you. Here is the group itself on Telegram. This is the premium gold signals channel on Telegram, and as you can see so far it's actually running in 100% of profit. All of the signals which we have sent is running really in a good profit. So it was so far a really good signals service, and I'm really just so excited and I'm thrilled about it, and I really hope it's gonna continue this way. So of course, my friends, if you'd like to join our signals group on Telegram, please contact our support. You will find their contact details in the description below of this video. I'm really happy and very thrilled about this service. I really hope it's gonna go well as planned. Now, what's next with the gold? That's the question. Now, the gold indeed has actually reached the highest level of its history, exactly at 2,758. And now the gold, many of you might tell me that gold right now is making double top pattern, but actually gold is not really respecting these price actions anymore right now. For example, here we had of course a head and shoulders pattern which instantly been broken out from, and that tells us that the gold so far is continuing the rise. Even based on the weekly time frame, we have zero price action indicates a bearish fall. So let's now move even to the daily chart. Even daily candles shows zero price action indicates for the bearish fall, and most likely right now the gold is going to continue the rise. Now how far is the gold going to continue the rise to? First of all, it's remarkable to mention that based on daily chart we have here of course, oops, one second. Based on daily chart we have of course here a broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see, and now it's being respected as a new supported trend line. So that's a good sign that so far we have to follow the gold, and it seems like it will continue the rise. Good. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now here is the trick. Now based on the 4-hour time frame, again we have to indicate here a failure in the pattern, which actually indicates usually a bearish fall. It has instantly been broken out from with that bullish breakout candle. This candle right here is actually a remarkable one because it actually draws the line between the old structure and the current one. Let me just tell you something. Now, if I move to the 1-hour time frame, and let me just zoom out a little bit like that. Now what we can see right here is of course a triangle, as you can see just like that. So now this triangle has indeed been broken out from with this current bullish breakout candle. And now the gold seems like it's going to continue the fall to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, and most likely now will continue the rise. Actually, this is going to be a risky trade. I have to warn you. We are actually buying the gold at the absolutely highest level of its history. We are just following the price action and the candles pattern. So again, if you are willing to take this trade, please be extra careful and be ready for any potential losses. This signal has a high chance of failure. I will be honest, this signal has a 60% chance of failure, to be honest with you. I'm just being very honest here. It actually has also a 30% chance of winning, because we are just following the direction of the gold. So far, it's going to continue the rise. In my opinion, the gold is going to continue the rise until the next, of course, elections, which will be held by actually 5th of November, I think. So therefore, if Mr. Trump wins the elections, the gold will fall. If Ms. Kamala wins, it's going to be a different story. No one knows what will going to happen exactly. There is a high probability that the gold will continue the rise, or maybe the gold will fall a little bit more just to gain some liquidity, and after that it will continue the rise. But most likely, in general, I would say that the expected reaction on the gold from the elections is going to be for the fall before any further bullish movement being detected. So until then, the gold is going to be ranging at that level of a trend, or sorry, that channel. So right, let me just draw for you the channel right here. Exactly, the gold actually has a chance to keep rising inside, keep ranging inside of this channel before finally the elections come out, but also has a chance to make a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance right here. So what I'm trying to say here is, and sorry for being boring, that the gold is right now reversing at that level of a resistance and now being trapped between this level of a resistance and the broken level of a resistance trend line. So if the gold will continue the fall, we better actually wait to see any reactions happen right here. If we see a reversal point happening, then buying the gold here is going to be a good idea, and most likely the gold will continue the rise and break out from the long-term resistance at 2757. But if we notice here a strong bearish movement, then just simply do not take this trade. Now let me just apply here the Fibonacci retracement and check it out. So right now, as you can see, this is of course Fibonacci 61.8, and the gold has just made here a bullish breakout from it. So if the gold will continue the fall, it will not only retest the broken level of resistance trend line, but also retest the resistance right here at Fibonacci 61.8, and we will be targeting Fibonacci 119. So that's going to be of course our take profit level, and buy level is going to be exactly right here, aiming around 223 pips of profit. However, the safe zone in this case is going to be sadly a little bit big. Let me just delete everything here because somehow it's confusing to me. Even to me it's confusing actually. That's going to be fine, exactly just like that. So as you can see, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging more than 116 pips, targeting 237 pips of profit. And here goes our new deal on the gold. And again, my friends, please be careful and be wise. Remember, this signal has a chance to fail. We are just doing here the best we can. No one in the world can predict the right direction on the gold right now. And another reminder to, of course, check our premium gold signals channel on Telegram. And of course, you can join the free one right here. It's completely free. It's for all. It's free for all. You can join it and you can test the signals. We are sending the signals. We are sending also one free signal every day on this channel, so you can test it by yourself. So I'm really happy and excited about the performance of our channels on Telegram. Not only the gold, even the VIP so far is doing so well. As you can see, these of course our Forex VIP signals, and so far we are doing really so well, and I'm so happy about that, and I'm really thrilled about this group. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.